Hello po, magandang gabi. Merry Christmas. Day after day, time doesn't wait. Nobody knows I'm hiding inside. The courage to show, to let you know I never felt so this way. I'm thinking about taking it easy right now. But once you go, I will never know what life would keep holding you close to me. Will I ever see something back in me? I don't ever know if I let you go. Pwede naman pong sumabay pag alam niyo yung again, to St. Gerard's Construction. Thank you so much for having me tonight po. And I'm with you, but when we are apart, I feel it too. And no matter what I do, I feel the pain. With the way I feel, baby, I don't understand. Just why we can't be lovers, we can quit and go. If you want me to let me know, it's tearing at my heart when I'm with you. But when we are apart, I feel it too. And no matter what I do, I feel the pain. With the way I feel. Just a smile, the way it's dark. You're calling me and care. There's a little second guessing me. Reaching for you know that I'll be okay now. This time it's real. I lay my love on you. It's all I wanna do. Every time I breathe, I feel right. Let's go. You open up my heart. Show me all your love and walk right through. As I lay my love on you, it's all I wanna do. Every time I breathe, I feel brand new. You open up my heart. Show me all your love and walk right through. As I lay my love on you. As I lay my love on you. Opo, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat po ng mga taga St. Gerard's Construction Company, maraming salamat po. Special thanks po to Miss Sarah and Sir Curly Vizcaya. Salamat po. Thank you for having me. Sarap naman po sa pakiramdam. Actually po, this is my first Christmas party appearance po ever since I started promoting the film. But siguro po, Miss Sarah, can I invite you on stage po for this song? Sir, okay lang ba, sir? Okay po. Let's go, Miss Sarah. Music, please! Ikaw, ikaw, ikaw. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sabay-sabay tayo! Di magmamadali. Let's go! Di na maghahanap ng bumatong sa mga tanong na ikaw ang nabiyahan ko. Ngayon ka dyan ka lang, nagmamabalik ka na mabalik sa ano ang galing. Dahil ikaw ang nabiyahan ko, hindi ka ito. Thank you! Masarap mo ang kantahan ng mga Tagalog. SGC. Alive na alive pa rin. Parang ang sarap maging regular. No, sir. Pwede ba maging regular? Pero hindi po, Sir Curly, Sarah, thank you so much for having me tonight. Sa lahat po ng mga taga-SGC, thank you. Merry Christmas. It's been a fun experience po for me being here. And with that po, I would like to leave you with this song. Sana po mag-gusto nyo. Music please! Ako, alam nyo to. so much po. Maraming salamat. Sige, isang mabilis na dito. Okay po. Dito rin o, sa mabilis na sa niyo. Ready? Alam niyo po, wala naman sa amin na. Sa mabilis na dito. Okay po. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Salamat! And once again po, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Again, Sir Berlie, baka... Yes po, photo po, tika.
Paglabas niya ate, ipepenta ko muna yun.
Okay na po, let's go. Ito na. Announcement lang po. DJ, sila na po. Announcement. Kailangan po yung alis na grupo. Announcement po tayo ng winner na kailangan ko po yung alis na grupo. DJ, ulit-ulit ko lang po, yung anim na grupo po nag-perform, kailangan ko na po dito